my channel. So today I'm going to do a get ready with me, and this one is going to be hair and outfit because I already have my makeup done, and you guys know my makeup pretty much looks the same all the time. But I wanted to film this for you guys because I'm getting ready to go to 2 happy hour events, and that means I finally get to break out my new unit with RPGSHOW, you guys. So I have another unit with RPGSHOW. This is my 3rd unit with them, and this time I wanted to do a Yaki texture unit because I know a lot of you guys absolutely love Yaki texture units, and I wanted to do this one in like a pretty like kind of brown color because I know a lot of Yaki units do not come colored. So I wanted to do something especially for a Yaki texture and do a little bit of color with it. So I did this really pretty brown color, and she also has a few subtle layers in the front, but this is what she looks like, you guys. I'm so excited to try her on. So this is what her hairline looks like. I did pluck her a little bit more than she came just because I wanted to get it how I like it. If you guys want a detailed video on how I do my plucking, I'll go ahead and leave one down below for you guys. I also leave coupon codes and all of the direct links to anything I'm using, including my wig, in the description box down below, you guys. But that's my outfit right there. It looks crazy, but I promise it's cute. So yeah, I already have my wig cap on doing the stocking cap method. I got it on pretty good today. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this baby on so we can see what she looks like, and then we can get right to the outfit. Y'all be getting the craziest DMs. I had a guy DM me and ask me if I was ticklish, like if my feet were ticklish. Like, what? Why? Okay, love, so I went ahead and I'm cutting the lace off, and then once I cut the last piece of lace, what you see me doing now is I'm pulling back my wig cap. So I had my wig cap up a little bit too high, so no matter how high I pulled the wig forward, it was still peeking out a bit. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and customize my wig cap to the wig so that it doesn't show and that it's like perfectly even, if you guys can see, just like that. And then I'm gonna begin applying my adhesive, and for today I'm gonna be using like always, basically the black Got to Be glue. So I went ahead and tied my unit down after I had completely laid my lace, and this is what it looks like. It looks really good and it is super melted, you guys. And look how pretty this texture is, you guys. Like, it just looks so bomb, okay? And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take my flat irons. These are my, what are they, you guys? Baby Bliss Titanium Pro flat irons. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below with everything else, you guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and run these through really quick. And then I'm gonna go in with my foundation powder and fill in my part, and then fill in my hairline just a bit. So when I first applied my foundation powder to my part, I applied way too much, you guys, but don't worry, I'm going to fix it. I'm going to end up showing you guys. I'm going to take my spoolie and kind of just diffuse it out and brush it out a bit, and then it blends just fine. So now I'm just taking this paper towel and I dampened it with a little bit of alcohol, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up the edges a bit just so I can get rid of some of the shine from where I put too much of the gel and it kind of seeped out from underneath the lace. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean that up a bit, and this is why you want to do this. You want to really lay your wigs before you put your makeup on, because I'm obviously wiping away some of my makeup. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my brush, and it still has a little bit of powder on it from when I did my makeup, and then just brush that over the edges a bit. And this is what the hairline looks like, you guys. Look at this, okay? So now that hair is out of the way and it's popping, we can go ahead and put the outfit on, you guys. So for my outfit, I got this really cute like caramel color two-piece set. It's from Fashion Nova. It's actually from my last Fashion Nova haul. I'll link that down below for you guys. And I paired it with these navy boots that I got from Aldo. And then I end up adding this navy purse that I got from Shoe Dazzle. And then I have this it's not a duster coat. They have it listed as a robe coat, and I got this from Boohoo. So this is my completed look. I'll have all the links to everything down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.